Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha R1. This bike represents a significant leap forward in Yamaha's long-standing legacy of superbikes. Let's explore its design, technology, performance, and what makes it a must-have for any motorcycle enthusiast. Design and aesthetics. First up, the design. The 2025 R1 continues Yamaha's aggressive styling language, characterized by sharp lines and aerodynamic contours. The new LED headlights offer a modern look while enhancing visibility. The bike's lightweight aluminum frame is both robust and agile, allowing for precision handling. Plus, the new color schemes provide fresh options for riders looking to stand out. Technology and features. Moving on to technology, the 2025 R1 is loaded with advanced features. It boasts a comprehensive suite of electronic rider aids, including Yamaha's YZF-R1M-inspired ride-by-wire system. The updated 6-axis inertial measurement unit EMU offers improved cornering stability, allowing riders to push their limits with confidence. Additionally, the new TFT display is clearer and more responsive, providing real-time data at a glance. Riders can customize their settings for optimal performance on the track or the street, making it a versatile machine for all environments. Engine and performance. When it comes to performance, the 2025 R1 is a powerhouse. Powered by a 998cc inline-4 engine, it produces over 200 horsepower. With an updated intake and exhaust system, the R1 offers quicker throttle response and a deeper, more aggressive sound. The quick shifter, now standard, allows for seamless gear changes, enhancing the riding experience. The bike's suspension setup, featuring an adjustable Öhlins Smart EC, ensures that the R1 can handle any track conditions, delivering optimal grip and control. Whether you're carving corners or hitting straightaways, the 2025 R1 is designed to perform at the highest level. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the 2025 R1. Advanced ABS, traction control, and slide control systems work together to provide a secure riding experience. The bike's cornering ABS adapts braking force based on lean angle, giving riders more confidence in challenging conditions. These enhancements not only improve safety but also enhance the overall riding experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha R1 is a stunning blend of cutting-edge technology, striking design, and unmatched performance. It stands as a testament to Yamaha's commitment to innovation and excellence in the superbike segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the sport, this bike is sure to impress. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the new R1 in the comments below. What features are you most excited about? Until next time, ride safe and stay tuned for more motorcycle content. Thanks for joining BikeZone.